The brief. Create connection and an emotional link with Israeli teens while bringing the Open Happiness strategy to life in an innovative way and spread the happiness around the country. A unique, unforgettable event that identifies the Israeli summer with Coca-Cola. The solution? Coca-Cola Village, a dreamlike all-inclusive vacation for teens ages 15 to 18 only that brought the Open Happiness strategy to life and a unique innovative like machine to spread it. Coca-Cola Village makes it possible for Israeli teens to live and experience Coca-Cola's world of happiness and encompass the optimism, friendliness, vitality and fun identified with the brand. Made them real in a tangible place that had everything teens need during the summer. Loads of friends, both boys and girls, a swimming pool, water attractions, parties that last all day, spa, performances, jamming and cinema compounds, horseback riding, food and more. The teens spent 72 hours at the village, 1,000 in each round of 250 rooms. Activities in Coca-Cola Village continued non-stop, day and night. Party followed performance, meals followed pool games. But this year we also looked for a way to move the experience beyond the borders of the village and involve the hundreds of thousands teens who were unable to come to the village. Every village guest received a wristband containing an RFID microchip programmed with their Facebook username and password. At each village attraction, we installed an RFID microchip capable of collecting the user's data and transmitting it directly to Facebook, creating a real-time sharing experience for their guests and their Facebook friends. The teenagers were very excited and used the wristband non-stop to spread and share happiness. In addition, the wristbands were used to auto-tag the teenagers in pictures that were uploaded to the internet. Coca-Cola Village is now considered the best and most desirable summer experience for Israeli teenagers. From its beginning, Coca-Cola Village became the talk of the day in the social networks. Only 10,000 teens visited the village, but they created 350,000 posts, more than 500,000 likes, and several 100,000 pictures showing unforgettable experiences of happiness. Hundreds of thousands of Israeli teens experienced the Coca-Cola's Open Happiness through the eyes of the 10,000 happy teens who visited the village. Coca-Cola Village was considered the best experience of the summer. Brand measures increased, and the Coca-Cola brand maintained its status as desirable, innovative and social brand, the most vital and fun brand in Israel.